Hi gorgeous people! Welcome back to my channel, Momsy Leads. Today guys ay mag-unbox lang tayo. Bumili ako ng NutriBullet. It's a portable blender. Okay guys, buksan na natin. Yan. Okay, ayun siya guys. Yan. And then manual and rechargeable siya guys. So yan, that's all. Buksan natin. Paano ba to? Yes, ganyan lang yan. Yes, building a smoothies. Ayan. Thanks for watching guys. Ayan, portable siya kaya maganda. Madadala mo even sa work at doon ka mag-blender ng yung mga fruits. And yeah. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.